Our top story now at 5. The U.S. Supreme Court ruled to uphold a federal law that bans domestic abusers from having guns. The 8-1 decision was praised by advocates of domestic violence victims, including here in San Antonio. KENS 5's Zach Briggs explains why.
The federal law, as it stands, prohibits people under domestic violence restraining orders from possessing firearms. Today, the Supreme Court stated when an individual has been found by a court to pose a credible threat to the physical safety of another, that individual may be temporarily disarmed, consistent with the Second Amendment.
This is a tremendous victory for survivors of domestic violence.
Patricia Castillo, who heads the Peace Initiative, points to a dangerous reality for so many people across the nation.
When there's the presence of domestic violence and weapons in the same household, your chances of being murdered increase by 500%.
The Collaborative Commission on Domestic Violence, established in 2019, led to the creation of a first-of-its-kind domestic violence hotline where survivors can be connected to resources in Bexar County. There have also been renewed efforts by SAPD to provide long-term support for victims with the help of crisis advocates. Castillo says while the Supreme Court ruling is monumental, more must be done to expedite the process of granting protective orders.
To create a system that's efficient, so people don't have to wait months to acquire a protective order.
And over the next 4 years, the City of San Antonio, UTSA, and community leaders will focus on a public health approach to reduce violent crime, including domestic abuse. Zach Briggs, KENS 5.